Hello, good day viewers. Here is the equation I posted on my Facebook page yesterday, asking people whether we can have an integer solution or not. And most of the response was no. So if no, let us look onto the real solution. First of all, let us rearrange the equation, bring every term to the left. We have 4 to the power of x plus 6 to the power of x minus if 9 to the power of x crosses over, and to the right we have 0. Next, let us divide each every term here by 9 to the power of x. So we have 4 to the power of x divided by 9 to the power of x plus 6 to the power of x divided by 9 to the power of x minus 9 to the power of x divided by 9 to the power of x, and to the right we have 0 because 0 divided by 9 to the power of x is still 0. Next, from here you can see that both numerator and denominator have power of x, so we can take it out. This becomes 4 divided by 9 all to the power of x plus, we do the same thing here, 6 divided by 9 all to the power of x minus 1 because the numerator and denominator are exactly the same. To the right we have 0. But from the first term here, 4 is the same thing as 2 power 2 and 9 is the same thing as 3 power 2. Therefore, whenever you have 4 divided by 9, this can be written as 2 divided by 3 to the power of 2. So this is what we need to substitute. So we have 2 over 3 all to the power of 2, but that 2 will have to multiply the initial power x. So we have 2x plus, both numerator and denominator here can be divided by 3. So 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2 and 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. All to the power of x minus 1, and to the right we have 0. Alright, let's keep on simplifying here. What we need to do next is to substitute. Let y equal to 2 divided by 3 all to the power of x. So from the first term here, we can substitute y equal to 2 divided by 3 to the power of x, but still we have a power of 2. So this is y to the power of 2, then plus the second one is exactly equal to y, plus y, we have minus 1, and this is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation, but non-factorizable. So we can apply general formula to solve for y. The leading coefficient is 1. The coefficient of the middle term is 1 as well. And the constant is negative 1. Therefore, to find y, we use the general formula minus b plus or minus into square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2 multiplied by a. Now let us substitute here. Y will be equal to negative b. B is 1, so we have negative 1 plus or minus into b squared is 1 squared minus 4 multiplied by a. A is 1 multiplied by c is negative 1. All divided by 2 multiplied by a, but a is 1. All right. Let me first of all simplify what is under the square root. 1 squared is 1, so I have 1 here, minus 4 times 1 times negative 1 is negative 4. So we have negative 4 here. The whole of this is positive 5. So what I have under the square root is 5. Therefore, y is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 5 divided by 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. So now we can split the values of y. Y could either be equal to minus 1 plus root 5 divided by 2, or y can either be negative 1 negative root 5 divided by 2. But remember, we substituted y as 2 divided by 3 all to the power of x. That is what we need to bring back. So we have two values of y. We have one here and we have the other one here. We are going to relate each with this equation right here. All right. So for y1, we have that 2 divided by 3 to the power of x can be our first y here, which is -1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. And the other one, 2 divided by 3 to the power of x can also be equal to -1 negative square root of 5 divided by 2. One thing you should know is that these exponential equations can be related using logarithm. Remember, if you have log a base b equal to c, b to the power of c is the same thing as a. So we can use this to relate the two equations. All right. The first one here, x is equal to logarithm of -1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2 base of 2 over 3. Or the second one, x equal to logarithm of -1 -5 divided by 2 base of 2 over 3. But x cannot be equal to this because this is negative value. We don't have a negative logarithm. Therefore, we are going to consider this as our solution. Finally, we say that x is equal to the logarithm of -1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2 base of 2 over 3. This is the most accurate value of x, but if you like, you can use your calculator, simplify to obtain an approximate result, and let us do that. All right, here is my calculator. What I need to press is the logarithm of our base is 2 divided by 3, and the number there is -1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. And you can see we have an approximate value of 1.18681. So now let us conclude. Finally, x is approximately equal to 1.18681. And this is our real solution. This is all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.